Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 2nd. I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold versus the dollar, I still think this is very, very clearly a 1, 2, 3, and I still don't even think the wave 3 is over. I still think it needs to go up to at least a 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1, projected out the bottom of wave 2, before we even end a wave 3, make a wave 4, and make a wave 5. So definitely do not think this trend is even remotely close to being over. Going down to the weekly time frame, I think this is a 1, I think this is a 2, and I think this is all subdivisions of a wave 3. Looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 3. Probably getting ready to make the wave 5, heading up towards the 2550 area, right around the 161% Fibonacci extension. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I think this is our wave 4, whether you want to label it as an ABCDE, or whether you just want to say that this right here was just ABC correction to the move up, doesn't really matter. Either way, it's a very corrective overlapping pattern. We definitely need to see a nice solid breakout. We probably will get a little bit of a retest once the breakout happens. If and when that does happen, that's going to be a really good sign that we are already in the wave 5, probably a wave 5 of wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement right here. Now, I would kind of expect this to make a more of a three-way pattern, maybe end up doing something like this before it actually broke out, maybe like a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. But it definitely doesn't have to do that, and really, I mean, if it does break out, do a retest, then that would be a perfect setup to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. It's just whether or not it makes a more proper, 1, 2, 3 pattern before it actually does go up and break out. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, gold is back into being extremely overlapping, extremely corrective. Like I was just explaining, I would kind of expect this to make some sort of a three-way pattern. So maybe it's going to end up more likely doing something like this, like an A, a B, and a C. Maybe more likely go down to like the 61, maybe even the 78, or the 50, I guess. Really any one of these levels. Make an ABC pattern, make a breaker structure, impulsive engulfing move to the upside at a Fibonacci level. If we see this picture right here, then that is going to be a perfect setup to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. On the other hand, if it just actually goes up from here, breaks out in a triangle, we test the triangle with three waves, that also would be a really good entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. Like I said, the question is whether it's going to make a more proper ABC correction or whether it's just going to break out, retest, and just keep on trending up in a wave 3, probably a wave 3 of wave 5. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.